What's up, you guys? In today's video, I've got another profitable YouTube niche idea where you can go to make money on YouTube. I'm going to show you exactly what these channels consist of and how you can do the same to make money on YouTube. I'll show you a few examples of these channels and exactly how much money they're making, and I'll give you some free tools, tricks, and tips of how you can replicate these channels. For those of you that are new to the Smart Video Tactics channel, my name's Alan and I post videos 3 times a week to teach you how to make some money on YouTube, grow your YouTube channel, and have the best impact. So if you're interested in videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon, turning on all notifications so that you don't miss the next video I post that's going to help you grow your YouTube channel. With that being said, let's get straight into this strategy. As I said in my intro, today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube creating super simple videos. And if this is something that you're looking at getting into and you want to make super simple videos and make money on YouTube, go down the bottom and click on the link in my description. The first link there is going to take you to a page. It's going to show you some awesome tools that you can use to make money on YouTube. With that being said, we're going to be looking at the motivation space today on YouTube. Now, the motivation space is super profitable, number one. And number two, you can create super simple videos to make money on YouTube, guys. And I want to show you a few channels that are doing this and how much money they're making. The first channel I want to show you over here is called Daily Motive Web. Now, this is a channel that's been around. Let's have a look. This channel has been around since 2015, October 2015, and they've created 242 videos. Now, the best part about this channel, what I love about this channel is, as you can see, their videos are running between 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 6 minutes. They're not the longest videos, but it's in the motivation space. And what I really like about these videos is they're super simple to make, meaning that they're using royalty-free music, they're using royalty-free images, and they're using a text overlay, which is super simple to create, and they're making money on YouTube, and a number of ways that they're making money on YouTube. And let's do a deep dive right now to see how much money they're making. If you're enjoying this series on profitable niche ideas and you have an idea of a type of niche that you'd like me to review, go down the bottom right now and comment and let me know if there's a different niche that you would like me to review and show you how much money you can make with that particular niche. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button in appreciation. It lets me know that you're enjoying this series. Let's keep going. So if you come over here, let's just check out their latest video. So I'm just going to click onto this one over here now. Alright, so I've just clicked onto this video, guys, and I want to show you exactly what they're doing. Let me just go back to the front over here because I was having a look at them a little bit earlier. And as I hit play, you're going to see that they've only got a voiceover with text. No one is on this video, and it's super simple to create. Let's have a look at it.
Quotes to remember when you're feeling lost in life. Everyone feels a little ourselves in the
Now, as you can see, it sounds like they've got a robot speaking in the background. I would highly suggest that you do a voiceover yourself, or you can even pay someone on Fiverr to do a voiceover for you. You just need to send them the script. My advice would be to do it yourself. One, you're going to avoid making sure that you get monetized or not get demonetized, because YouTube doesn't like automated scripting anymore. They want you to do the actual scripting yourself, or a human to do the scripting. So as you come down here, you can see that this video has got over 1,100 views, which is not bad. And if you come over here, they've got a subscribe button. Let's have a look. And then they're linking over to Amazon. Okay, so they're selling something over at Amazon, and we can have a quick look to see exactly what product they're selling, because this can give you an idea of how else you can make money on YouTube utilizing this strategy, guys. So if you come over to here, let's just have a look. They've also got background music. They're saying where they're getting their background music from Pixabay, and they're getting their music from Bensound. Now, this Pixabay link over here, this could be a link where they would get a referral if you sign up to Pixabay and bought anything. So if we go over to Amazon over here, let's have a look. So they're directly linking over to Amazon. As you can see, anything that you purchase on Amazon now, you're cookied, and they will make a commission for that particular sale. So I think they could be doing a little bit better. They could be getting a specific product to promote, but hey, it's working for them. Now let's have a look how much money they could potentially be making from YouTube ad revenue. So when we come over to Social Blade, you can see here automatically, let's have a look how much views they're getting. So they're getting on average about 15,000 views every single day, which is not too bad. And they could be making anything from $150 to $2,500 every single month. Now, I know that might not sound like a lot, but when you're making videos that are literally, a minute long, you could make probably 10 videos over a weekend that could cover you for the next 2 weeks and make this a passive source of income to make money on YouTube. Okay, guys, so that's the first channel that I wanted to show you. And as you can see, the thumbnails, probably created on Canva. They're very, very simple thumbnails. They've got a photo, as you can see over here, with just some simple text over the top. Now, I've covered videos previously on how to make thumbnails on Canva, so you can go back and have a look at those. But these are very, very simple thumbnails to make, guys, and simple videos to create. And I'll show you, keep watching at the end of this video, I'll show you where you can go to get some of these royalty-free images and royalty-free music as well. The next channel that I wanted to show you where you can go to make money on YouTube creating these super simple videos is a channel called Daily Motivation. Now, this is a channel that's a little bit longer. So when I say longer, they make longer videos, as you can see, 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and some of them are 12 minutes. And it's a super awesome channel if you're looking to start in the motivation niche, to have a look at it for inspiration. So let's see how long this channel has been around. This channel has been around from 2016. It's got 91 uploads only, and they've got a 1.53 million subscribers. Now, this channel is making anything from $1,200 to $19,000 every single month. Not bad for somebody that's creating super simple videos, okay, guys? So if you come over to here, you can see that these are all very, very similar thumbnails, okay? They use a photo over the top and some text overlay, okay? So not that difficult to create. And if we go over here, let's check out any one of these videos, okay? I like these types of videos. They're very inspirational, and they're also using royalty-free stock videos that you can also get. So let's have a click onto this video and see exactly what it looks like. All right, guys, sorry, I just had to cut out the ad because these guys are 100% monetized, so I had to block out the ad. So if we click play here,
this was never about how strong you are or how tough you are. It's about what happens.
so as you can see here, guys, they've got somebody that's talking on the video, and I really like this. It's a little bit more engaging. The video work is a lot better than the previous video, but again, all this stuff is super easy to create, especially if you spend a little bit of time getting to know the software that you're using. These tricks and animations are very easy to make, and again, they've got text overlay over the top of it. And if we fast forward this video, it continues on with that theme the entire way. Now you can go online and you can find all these motivational speeches, all these motivational quotes that you can use on these videos, guys. And it's not that difficult to create. And if we come over here to see how this person has monetized their channel to make money on YouTube, you can see here that they're not only making money from AdSense, they're making money through merchandise as well, which is a really clever idea when you're looking to make money in this space, okay? Because you could be selling any type of merch and something motivational on there, and people will buy it. And you think about it, if one person goes on here a day, out of all the people that they have going on here, they could be potentially making anything from $30 to $100 in one day extra just from one purchase, okay? So it's an awesome way to monetize your YouTube channel and to make money on YouTube. So if we come over to here, let's have a look. You can see that they're selling self-hypnosis audio programs, okay? So you can come over here and click onto that. And if you struggle to have a hard time, consider taking online therapy sessions. So if you click onto that, they'll more than likely have an affiliate link to these programs, and they're going to make an additional amount of money. So these guys are monetizing very, very well and making really good money. So if we scroll down here, let's have a look. So they've just got that merch. Now what I'll do is let's just go straight onto Social Blade and let's have a look at to see exactly how much money they're potentially making. So as you can see, $1,200 to $19,000 every single month, and they're getting about 123,000 views on this channel every single day. And if we have a look at their channel, if we come back over here just to see how often they post videos on their channel, you're probably going to see, let's have a look. Let me just click onto videos. Let's see how often they're posting. So 1 day ago, 5 days ago, 6 days ago. So they don't actually have a routine. They posted a video yesterday, and the video before that was 5 days ago, then 6 days ago. And then let's have a look here. So 2 weeks ago, 1, 2, 3. So about 3 to 4 videos a week, if that. And again, these videos, some of them, yes, are in a 10-minute range, but there's a lot of them that are 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes as well. So an awesome channel and a great niche. And if you're looking to get into the motivational space to make money on YouTube, I'd highly recommend coming out and having a look at this channel. Now let's get into the next channel so I can show you how to make money on YouTube. The next profitable channel that I want to show you guys is a channel called Be Inspired. Now, if you're looking to make money on YouTube, I would highly recommend checking out this channel if you want to go into the motivational space. I can only imagine how much money they're making on YouTube and how much views they get, and I'll show you that in a second. But if you come down here and have a look, I mean, check this out. Their thumbnails, again, are very similar to the previous channel, and as you can see as well, 11 hours ago, they posted a video and it's only 3 minutes and 30 seconds long. Then a few days ago, another one that's 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And as you can see, their channel does not make really long videos. And I can see here, there are some videos that are 10 minutes long, but they're getting so many views that they don't need to even worry about making long videos with mid-roll ads, okay, because they're making so much money. There are some videos that they've made that are extremely long. I have seen one somewhere where I think it was like 2 hours long. I'm pretty sure this one over here. Am I Rich? Money Affirmation, listen before. So that one there is about 2 hours and 24 minutes, okay? And if you come over here, let's click onto this video over here. Let's just have a look to see how they're potentially monetizing. Let me just pause this and let's scroll down here. Let's just have a look to see what they're potentially. So they've got over here YouTube, Twitter. Again, motivational clothing brand. So they're selling clothes. Again, self-hypnosis audio programs. So they would definitely be making money off this, okay, guys? So they're monetizing their channels really well as well. So if you come back up here, let's just have a look at this quick video and see exactly what they're doing and how they're creating their videos. So I'm going to hit play now.
You telling your dreams? If you've ever been so low, you felt like you wanted to scream. If you've ever been doubting your quest to achieve.
Guys, as you can see, these aren't that difficult videos to make, okay? You pretty much have a video that has text overlay, somebody speaking in the background, no one is on camera, and then you can have any type of royalty-free images. You don't need to have facial expressions and stuff like that. You can have a whole range of different types of images that you can research from a whole range of different types of channels, okay, guys? So when you come back over to here, let's just have a look and see how much views they're getting on every single video, okay, guys? So if we come over to here, let's just have a quick look and see. So if you come over to here, this video was posted 12 hours ago. It's got 35,000 views. And then 2 days ago, 140,000. And if we have a look at their most popular video, just to see roughly what the potential is with a video on this type of channel, you're going to see that you could get a channel with millions and millions of views. And he's got videos over here that have 17 million, 16 million, 13 million, 12 million, 11 million. These are massive numbers when you think about how much views this channel is getting. So if we go over to Social Blade and have a look at some of their statistics to see how much money they're making on YouTube, you can see here that this channel started in 2015. So the channel is 5 years old, but I want to show you something that's phenomenal. They've got 133 uploads, okay? So just because you come over here and see that a channel is 5 years old doesn't necessarily mean that the channel that they started posting 5 years ago, because when you come back over to here and you have a look at their oldest video, okay? Let's see when this was posted and how long ago that was posted. So it could have been posted 5 years ago, but then again, they probably had a break. So you can see here that it was 3 years ago and they only posted 2 videos, and then it's essentially only from 2 years ago, okay, guys? And when you scroll down, even then from 2 years ago, it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, yep, and the rest of them are from a year ago. So as you can see, it hasn't taken them, it's probably taken them maybe 14 to 16 months to grow this channel to astronomical heights, and anybody can do this. You can do this. You can get monetized and you can start making serious money on YouTube. And when you have a look at this over here, they're making anything from a few $1,000s up towards $60,000 a month. So it's $58,400. Now, if you have a look at this, I want to show you at a $1 CPM, and we'll probably break this down and let's do it on a CPM of 50 cents, okay? We saw here that they're posting videos. I don't think they're posting videos every single day, okay? Let's just have a look and see. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because I want to show you that this is a passive way to make money on YouTube. So 13 hours ago, 2 days ago, then 5 days ago. And these are all 3 to 5 minute videos. So that will take maybe a few hours to make, but then you've got a couple of days break. But in those days that you have a break, you could essentially be making thousands of dollars. And let me show you something. So this video over here gets 374,000 views on average every single day. So if we bring up my calculator over here, let's just have a look at that. So if we do 374,000, okay, every single day, and we divide that by 1,000 because the reason why you divide it by 1,000 is because YouTube pays you per 1,000 views, okay? Cost per mile. So if you divide that by 1,000, okay, that's going to give you 374. And what that means is if you times this by CPM of $1, that means they're getting $374 every single day. If you divide this by 2 to give it a 50-cent CPM, they're making $187. Now, that is a lot of money for somebody that makes a YouTube video every 3 to 4 days that's 3 minutes long or 4 minutes long, because it's only taking them maybe 2 to 3 hours. There could be some prep work involved, but it's an awesome way to make money on YouTube. And sometimes a lot of these channels, guys, would be making more than just the $1 CPM. They could potentially be making anything from $1.50 to $3. But if you do it on an average of $2 CPM, that's $750 every single day. So now you can see the power of these different types of profitable niche ideas on YouTube to make money. Okay, guys. So I wanted to show you these different types of channels. Now I want to show you a couple of tricks of where you can go to potentially create some of these channels. And the first place that you want to look towards is YouTube. And the reason I say that is because, as you heard, a lot of these channels had audio in the background. So if you go into your YouTube studio, if you go into your channel, what you're going to see on the left-hand side over here is you're going to see this option over here where it says audio library. And what you can do is once you click onto audio library, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. And this is where you can go to get a whole range of different type of music. You can get inspirational music, you can get dance music, you can get sound effects as well over here. As you can see, if you click onto sound effects, everything that you need to create a YouTube video is over here for you. And the reason why it's good to come over here is because then you're not breaking any copyright rules and you get all the sound effects that you want. So if you come over here, free music, and you type in motivational music, okay, so let's just have a look. Okay, so if we type in motivational, you're going to see that automatically it's going to give you a whole range of different clips and songs that you can potentially play. And all you need to do is scroll down and find one that suits your theme. So this is one way that you can get your audio. The next thing that you want to do is you obviously want to get some royalty-free images. And the couple of sites that you can go to that I've spoken about before is obviously Pixabay and Pexels.com. And the reason I suggest these two sites is because they have royalty-free images that you can use absolutely for free, that you're not going to break any copyright rules, and you're free to use them on your YouTube videos. And what you can do from there is you can quite simply just come in here and type in motivation, or you can type in even something like inspiration and have a look to see where you can get all these different types of background screenshots that you can use in your videos while you play your music and while you talk over the top. And as you can see, there are awesome photos that you can use right throughout this. There is so much of this on here, guys, and you can use this site. Like I said, you can use Pexels.com, and there's other sites that you can also research on Google where you can find all the information that you need to create a successful channel to make money on YouTube. Then from there, what you want to do is you want to get some software that you can use to be able to put all this together. And I recommend going in and potentially signing up for a site like WeVideo. You can do that if you want. It's only $4.99 a month. It's an awesome piece of software that you can use. You can also go and sign up to OBS Studio. That's another free software that you can use. Guys, I have a link in my description if you want for even better software that's called Content Samurai. I have a link in my description, okay, for Content Samurai. Now, this is a piece of software where you can go and this will automatically create majority of the videos for yourself. It's fantastic to come in and use this, especially if you are a beginner. So I urge you to check it out. There's a 7-day free trial that you can go and have a look at. And then if you sign up for it, obviously you'll have to pay a monthly subscription, but it'll cut the work down so much for you so that you can concentrate on making these simple videos. But what happens with this site is that when you enter in a script in there, it's going to find all the royalty-free images, videos, and voiceover for you. So it's an awesome way to get started. Check it out. I do have a link in my description if you want to have a look at it. So that was my video, guys, on another profitable niche idea that you can start to make money on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure that you smash that like button. And if this was the first time that you watch one of my videos, make sure you subscribe because I've got another awesome video coming out in the next couple of days that you don't want to miss. Before you go, I'll have another couple of videos up here that you can watch that's going to help you grow your YouTube channel and make even more money on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You take care and goodbye.